With me to Amala spots in Ibadan, and let's enjoy this Amala together. Hello guys, welcome to another Vlogmas. Today's Vlogmas, I'm relaxing today, so because of that I'll be taking my Amala. I'll be eating Amala. So if you're coming to Ibadan this evening, we have where you can enjoy your Amala. So I'll be visiting some spots, Amala spots in Ibadan. If you're coming to Ibadan and you will not eat Amala, then you're not here in Ibadan. So guys, let's get to where we will eat Amala today. Hello guys, I've not introduced myself. My name remains Ojolape Space. I live right here in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. I showcase places in Ibadan, especially the price of foodstuffs in Ibadan. So today we are working on where you can actually enjoy your Amala when you're around in Ibadan. Or if you're in Ibadan and you don't know places you can go to enjoy Amala, take care of yourself, that African delicacy, then you come around with me. If you're watching, you've not subscribed, please subscribe to Oju Olape Space. Thank you. Guys, welcome to another Vlogmas. Today, like I told you, we'll be coming around to eat Amala in Ibadan. So here we are at Abula Palace. Come along, guys. Creating content without eating Amala makes Ojolape Space a dull girl. So guys, today we are moving around to all the Amala spots in Ibadan. Omo, ewa di abula to ṣe kíni tó gbádùn. Guys, if you're watching Ojolape Space for the very first time, you are welcome. And if you're my returning subscribers, thank you so much. But if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I just give you 2 seconds. Just click on that subscribe button now. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. You are not going to be charged for subscribing. It costs you nothing. It's just for you to just click so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. That's all. And you can write and share in the comment section Amala spots in Ibadan that you have been to. We want to know any of the Amala spots that you have visited. Maybe when you come into Ibadan or you have heard of anyone, just put it in the comment section. Guys, I must not do this. I must not eat this Amala without showing you how I'm enjoying my Amala. Gbegiri, ewedu, ati agemawo. I think I've mentioned that word agemawo sometime, and somebody was asking me what is agemawo. Okay, when they are cutting meat, and they cut meat and cow skin together, we have a special name for that type of meat in Ibadan. And when you have that type of meat, hey, you can eat a whole full pot of it if you are not careful. The Amala here was so tasty, was so yummy. I love it. I was enjoying it, yo. Omo, mo kàn jẹ mo ranjú. Mo ń jẹ mo pé yé. Amala ló dùn tó yìí. Kí la máa fi kún? You know, Amala is one special Ibadan delicacy that, you know, it's so soft. Black Amala. Kì í ṣe Amala funfun. This is black Amala. So I'm going to Iyaduni again to eat Amala. Conversant with Ibadan, Iyaduni food alamala has been for years. They have a branch at Challenge. You see that Challenge branch? Hey, let me just give you a little story about this Iyaduni alamala. I'm a kind of person, once I'm stressed out, I'll just take my time out, go to Iyaduni, sit down, get my amala, relax, eat, go back home. I do that once in a blue moon, especially when I felt, oh, I'm exhausted. So iyaduni is a amala spot in Ibadan that anytime, just ask anybody, iyaduni, don't say anything, just even when you get to challenge, just say I need iyaduni. Hey, and when you pẹ́ tó ti rú àmàlà, àmàlà yẹn máa fẹ́rẹ́ bí etí báyìí. Is that every amala spot has their own unique taste. They don't brand amala. When you get to a particular spot, the taste of amala is different from the other spots. So that makes it unique to move around. Now that you're coming to Ibadan or you're having a nice time in Ibadan, to enjoy our amala. Hey, you don't want to miss it. And if there is no reason for you to come down to Ibadan, please just come for the amala sake. Just come and have the taste of amala. This is not the regular amala you just see. This one is special. It's different amala. And you know that there's this amala challenge going on right now. Guys, take opportunity, participate in amala challenge wherever you are. Ejade kelo jamala. Show us your amala skill. The way you lick your hand is part of amala. Your licking of your hand, licking of your lips. The sliming of ewedu. And the taste of Gbegiri. This combo, is something you should not mix this Christmas period. Guys, I was eating at the same time watching our Yoruba Nollywood movie. You know that kind of combination now. Your belly go just suit you. You go just chop, they go. I just like the vibes of amala. And if you have not tasted amala before, because some people tell you, oh, it looks black. That black thing. Hey, that black thing. Oyinbo people don't they make research safe. They don't know the secret behind our amala. They've just had interest in this our fufu recently. Very soon, you see them making research on our black amala. The taste of black amala, you cannot compare to any type of food. Ibadan food is a combined and complete nutritional food that gives you every nutrient you need in your food. I will continue to preach about amala. I have nothing to talk about. I'm talking about our amala. The amala you eat. This amala spot has been for years. When they say years, I remember years. Actually, this was not where she was before. When something happened, she relocated to this place. This is Opeyemi Alamala. Opeyemi Alamala is number 1 in Ibadan. Hey, Opeyemi Alamala. Olowo Shibi. Hey, if you are looking for Opeyemi Alamala, you can get Opeyemi Alamala. You can get them in New Garage. Then you can also get them at Oduono. Àwọn ilé nsebe. Àwọn ọbẹ̀ wọn oyati. If you want pounded yam, then you know one secret. Let me share the secret of when to visit our restaurant in Ibadan, especially amala spots. Just give yourself between 12 in the afternoon and 2 rush hour. You know what they call rush hour? You don't watch the film. Have you watched that film called Rush Hour? Rush hour. That is when you have fresh amala dudu, amala fufu, and pounded yam. Wow. This pounded yam is, you can see it has a rhythm. When they were pounding, it comes with rhythm. So you know that when you are eating it, everything inside of you will be dancing to the rhythm of amala and pounded yam. And you can see that they are putting every measure and strength to prepare this food. If 3 people are pounding that yam and 3 people is making amala, you should know what it means. So I decided to Yeah, I'm full already. I will not lie to you, but I was like, I just have to show you this pot. If I don't show you this pot, I will not be happy. No, 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 no. I will not be happy. So this is Opeyemi Alamala. Their soup is you love it, you like it. Just come. They sell takeaway if you don't want to eat it there. But this one I want to show you guys. Look, I'm really eating it. Though I'm full, I was just like, okay, let me just buy small. At least let me show my people. To even eat itself, I was like, well, I have to force myself. But there's something, if you guys have followed this video, I didn't drink water. If you notice all this, why? Because once I take water, the first that is Amala Palace, that's Abula Palace, I will not be able to eat again. So what I did was, I didn't take water, though I was tasty. I beg kudos to those food mukbang. I wonder how they eat. They continue to eat. They don't show any form of they are overfull. I wish they share the secret of this mukbang, how they do it. At this spot, I was full, but I had to like, guys, and I was able to finish in a little way. I think I can finish the amala and meat. This one is ogufe, and their soup is ogufe soup. Ogufe, goat meat. Musha and woyin is goat meat. I know the taste of goat meat soup with amala, gbegiri, and ewedu. So, guy, I decided to not take water at this spot because I knew once I drink this water, I'm completely filled up. So, taking this water, I just like calm myself. I said, I can't go to the fourth place. I'm supposed to visit amala.com, but there's no way I can do that. Eating amala kakiri ni Ibadan, 4 spots. I know Ibadan amala is big. Those amala you see at Opeyemi, yes, their amala is lesser. At Opeyemi, the amala is 100 naira. Imagine, but other places is 200 naira. So, I was like, I beg, let me not overfeed, and I will not be able to do anything today. So after eating at this particular Opeyemi, all I just did was stood up. I started feeling slippery. I feel like sleeping. I'm full already. It's like they should just give me bed and lay my head. But remember, I have to go home. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to always subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching today's Vlogmas. Bye.